Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting episode on Sew with Stella. So for today's tutorial, I'll be teaching us how to fix our zipper. There are different methods and techniques you can actually use to fix your zip. So I'll be teaching us this method. You can see it's very neat. It's very neat. So if you want to see how I fix this zip, keep watching. So the first thing to do is to take note of the seam allowance you left for the zip. So for this dress I'm making, the zip allowance I left was 2. So you see, I hope you can see it. It's 2 inch. So what I will do is I'm going to go and sew here. Go and sew here. Go and sew here. For professionals, you know, they have been in the system for a very long time, they can just go ahead and sew it. But for those learning, I think this will be an easy method for you before you now get used to it, you know, sewing without actually taking note of the mark. So what I'll do is to mark out the 2 inches, which is here. So I'm going to sew straight. But the way I'm going to sew it is, okay, the zip, this is the zip, and I want the zip to be about, let's say, how many inches long? Okay, let's say, okay, I want it to be about 16 inches. Okay, I want it to be about 16. That's so what I will do is to, let me get my chalk, note here. So 16. So what I'll do is I'll use a loose stitch to sew from here to here. Since I'll still lose it, I'll use a loose stitch to sew from here to here. Then from here to here, I will use my normal stitch to sew it. This is because for the down part, I'm not going to lose it again, but for the up one where the zip will be, I'm going to, you know, lose the stitch. So I'm going to use a loose stitch from here to here. Then from here downwards, I'm going to use the normal stitch I use in sewing and do it. So after that, after sewing here, I'll now go ahead and press it, you know, press it. So let me go to the sewing machine and do it. So as you can see, I've sewed it. Let me show you. Remember what I told you, that the length of the zip is going to be like 16. So I used a loose stitch to sew it. Then when I got here, I now use the normal stitch to sew it, like I said earlier, if you can remember. Then I went ahead and press it. You can see it. And press it. So what I'll do is I'm going to lose that's the stitch that I used from here to here. So after losing it, you know, it's going to the sign. Since I pressed it, the sign, that's where I'll be able to, the sign is going to tell me where I'm going to sew for the zip, so that it's going to align properly, very well. So that's that. So let me go ahead and lose the stitch from here to here. It's just a loose stitch, so it's very easy for me to lose. So let me lose it. So as you can see, I've loosened it. You see the essence of the pressing, you know, you see the shape is still there, you see. So you can now go ahead and, you know, our zip will now be like this, should be like this. I hope you can see it. You see it. So the next thing to do is I'm going to flip this like this. You know, this is where we stopped. So it's going to start somewhere. It should start somewhere here. Then I'm going to use the pin to hold it down. So next thing now is to now pay attention. You see this place, you see where I used a loose stitch to sew, then later I removed the stitch and I also pressed it. You see it, you see how it is. So what you do is to use your pin. Make sure that it's close but not too close, you know, to where the zipper is, like this here. And when you put it here, make sure that it passes through. Let me shift it. So the next thing to do is, you know, you take your office pin, make it to be a little bit close to this side, a little bit close. Then make sure that it passes through that where we iron. You see the mark it made on it. Make sure it passes through it. You see it. And then you put it back, you shift it inside. I hope you can see it. I hope you can see it clearly. You see where it is, the space. So you do that for all of them. So you are going to, when sewing, you take your time to sew it. Do not rush. Just sew on that line, sew on that where you have your office pin, sew on it. You see it. So after sewing, you should have something like this. I hope you can see it. After sewing, you should have something like this. Let me explain it again. You take your office pin, you make sure it's a little bit close but not too close. Just after this stitch on the zipper here, put it inside. Then make sure it passes through this mark that the pressing iron made and where you used your loose stitch. Did you see it? It's the loose stitch. You see the point it makes, the mark it made. Just make sure this cloth is, you know, just like this, like this, like this, and then you also bring it out. You see, so you do that for this, and you see it. I've sewed for this side. Sorry, I said I've sewed. I've pinned this side. I've pinned it. So what I'll do is to sew here. I'm going to follow this this pin. This is the place. That's what I'm going to follow. I'll sew here like this. So after sewing, I'll take off the pin and then also go and also pin this side and then sew it. You can see where I pinned. So after sewing, it should look something. It should be something like this. After sewing and pressing, it's going to come out fine. Don't worry, you'll see it. You see it. So let me go to sewing machine now and sew here and sew here. Hope you can see it, and sew here. I'm going to follow this pin, you know, sew here. As I'm sewing, I'll be removing the pin. As I'm sewing, I'll be removing the pin. So after that, I'll have something like this. can see what we have. You can see what we have this side. When you press it down, when you press it, it's going to be, you know, look beautiful, very beautiful. So I'll go ahead and also do for this side and make for this side. So I've finished sewing for the two, as you can see. I finished sewing for the two sides. I mean, for the two sides. You see it? You see how beautiful it looks? You see? See how beautiful it looks? You see? You see? So the next thing I'll do is to just to put this in, stitch it just a little bit, and I also come here, put this one in and stitch it just a little bit, and I'm done. See it?